guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're checking out the Westside. It's a neighborhood that I don't really do too much and actually feel bad about it. I don't do West Midtown too much, and I actually feel like I don't do too many neighborhoods in the Atlanta area that aren't just like North Atlanta neighborhoods or Buckhead and Midtown. So I wanted to kind of expand out a little bit and talk about some of the other really good options that are out there. This one in particular is one of our listings that we have over in Westside Station. It's actually a great little area, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why. But not a lot of people seem to like this area because I do a lot of expired listings. And because I do a lot of expired listings, I tend to see certain areas that perform a bit better than others. And the ones that perform better are the ones that I don't see that aren't expiring. And I see a lot of these homes kind of over on this western part over here that are expiring and coming off the market. It almost seems like people are a little fearful of moving into this area. They don't know if this is the new up and coming area or not, but I personally believe it is because the school zones here are good. And I'm going to get a little bit into this community itself, but if you're in good school zones, you can pretty much rest assured that people will have a very good reason to move into a place, especially if you have a property that's centered around that, like a single family home, obviously. And this particular place is in the North Atlanta district. It's in Sutton Middle, and it has Bolton Academy. These are all three really good schools, and I think a lot of people could rest assured that this is a great area. And when there's a great Warren Buffett quote, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people know it, is to be fearful when others are greedy, and then the exact opposite. Be greedy when others are fearful. And I think if you can buy in this area right now where it seems like a lot of people are letting these properties expire and come off the market, you can find a really good deal in this area, as certain homes might sit, certain people might be overpriced, and when sellers get to the edge, you might be able to make a good offer on a property, get it accepted, and still pay a little bit less and still be in a good area where it'll continue to move upward and forward. So let's get a little bit into this community itself. It's called Westside Station, actually, and this property that we have is 1918 Cole Place. It's a fantastic property. It's one of the most photogenic houses I've ever seen in my life. When you see it against the blue background of the sky, the like orange wood color of the property just looks amazing. But a lot of these properties are around $650,000 to around $750,000, $800,000, which is pricey, but you are getting a single family large scale home in the middle of the city. This is very close to the city. This is Westside. It's in the North Atlanta School District. If you see some of the other properties, like you go into Garden Hills or you go into Collier Hills or you just go into Buckhead in general, tell me how the prices are over there and then come back and talk to me. But not to joke around, this is actually a fantastic area. Even the neighborhood next to it over in DuPont Commons is also a fantastic neighborhood. And I'm really glad to be talking about in this video, but the property that we have today is a new community. A lot of the communities around here are new construction or very recently new. Even some of the older ones built in like 2005, like what I was previously mentioning, DuPont Commons, are also very nice communities where everything seems to feel very new, and this property is no exception, and even has a tankless water heater that the owners put in themselves. But guys, I think you're going to really like this property, and once you check out the area and you realize that how much the western part of the Beltline is expanding and everything that's being pulled off of that, and all the cool things, like certain things, like there's a lot of stuff over the west side, but one particular thing is just the works. A lot of people know what that is already, but just to throw that out there, there's that, and there's some of these satellite trails that go in between these certain communities, and a lot of them eventually lead to the Beltline itself. So if you guys are wanting to get in on the ground floor before a lot of this construction really starts taking place and really starts getting going, while a lot of the parts of the Beltline here are under construction, you can find something really nice even on the Beltline. There's even one of these properties. It's not in North Atlanta, but it is right on the Beltline. I'm like, this is going to be an incredible property regardless of what school district is in, because someone's going to live on it no matter what. But guys, let's get into this. Great community, great schools, great property, great neighborhood. What else is there to say? 1918 Cole Place.